Hey, what's going on, guys? So, today I will show you how to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram Story. So, this will be quick and easy. So, let's start. So, go ahead and open Spotify. Now, from here, you can already see Spotify Wrapped. So, let's tap it. Now, this will give you a summary of your Spotify activity for the current year. All the songs that you listened, all the songs that you liked, and all the songs that you listened many times over and over are going to be shown in here. Now, when everything is loaded, you can tap on share. Now, you will have an option to share this to different social media platforms, but for this video, let's choose Instagram stories. Now, your Spotify Wrapped is posted on your Instagram story. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.